Happy New Day, my global African family. I just want to reach out to the Kambon family and Abibitumi Kasa for providing such a good service and helping me take care of one of my affairs while I'm here in the United States behind these enemy lines, and for taking care of my car, the repairs, making sure that they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. I'm able to send, I love that I'm able to trust that I'm able to send you money to take care of the expenses and make sure that I'm not being cheated and that everything is going well with the car. Even that the fact that you take it and drive it and all that is really a good service, is very reasonable, and it really has helped me out and kept my mind off of this worry while I'm here. I hope to be back very soon, and I know when I get back I'm going to be driving a brand new painted new engine, and my seats and my interiors getting done. I'm going to have a radio set up. I'm going to have, locks, all these different things that wasn't on my car. Now it's going to be there. I got a classic car, a 95 Land Rover Defender. And so we're getting in and we're fixing it up, and he's helping me every step of the way. So I really appreciate you guys for helping your sister out. And I pray that everybody is well, everybody is strong, and everybody is safe. And I will see you very soon. I don't care. It might get to the point where I might have to swim over there, but whatever it takes, I'm going to be there really soon. And Coronafree. So don't even worry about quarantining me. I'm not going for that. I'm on top of my health game right now. So I'll be seeing you really soon. Medaase papa nyame shro yebeshia.